Former eThekwini Mayor Zandile Gumede, of course, like I said, expected to appear at the Durban Special Commercial Crimes Court today. And this comes, of course, after lengthy postponements for the state to wrap up investigations into allegations of corruption, fraud and money laundering against her and several of her other co-accused, which include members of the eThekwini Municipality. Our reporter in KZN, that's Karinda Jogmohan, is on the story. She joins us now live from just outside court to give us a sense really of what it is we can expect. So Karinda, we've been here before for several times. Perhaps it's worth taking some steps back if we can to get a sense of what's happened so far and what we're expecting from proceedings today.
Yes, good morning to you. Well, I can tell you that Zandile Gumede was arrested on May 14th last year. Now, going forward, she appeared in court briefly and was granted bail of 50,000 rand. Now, those court proceedings have been unfolding here at the Durban Special Commercial Crimes Court for the past year. She appeared again in August last year, and at that time she was removed from her position as mayor of the eThekwini Metro Municipality. We saw various protests unfolding on the streets of Durban, specifically around the Durban City Hall, with protesters in support of Zandile Gumede, saying that they wanted her to be reinstated as mayor. And then we also saw other protests, those calling for her removal from that position just before she was indeed removed by the ANC in KZN. Now, going forward then, we did see a raid at her premises and the premises of several other accused in this high-profile corruption case in October. And at that time then, the fraudulent amount that is being discussed here was ballooned up to over 300 million rand. Just to give you an idea, Gumede was arrested on corruption, fraud and money laundering charges. It's alleged by the Hawks that she used her position of power to influence tenders at the city's Durban Solid Waste Unit. This tender to the value of over 300 million rand, as we know now, as the state has said, following their prolonged investigations. Now, in January, the case again surfaced at the court, and I must tell you, Gumede is standing with 17 other accused in this case, including at least 4 municipal officials, including a senior municipal councillor, Mondli Mtembu. And just last year we also saw, or rather earlier this year, we also saw the municipal manager Sipho Nzuza added to the list of accused. However, it's believed, or we understand, that he was the person who blew the whistle initially on the tender fraud at the municipality. Of course, this is yet to come out as the state continues with their investigations. Now, going forward, though, in January, the state requested additional time to continue with their investigation, say that they have hundreds of pages worth of data and evidence to sift through as they build up the case against Gumede and her co-accused. But however, the magistrate, the presiding officer rather, explained that the case had to be put under case management because of the prolonged investigations. And now today we expect to hear from the state on what exactly or where exactly they are at their investigations and when can the trial proceed going forward.
We'll have to see how that unfolds. I remember Zandile Gumede had amassed a big following. I wonder if any of her supporters will be there to support her today as well. Karinda Jogmohan, our reporter, live to us there from Durban.